Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today, we're looking at the Meta Quest 3S Xbox Edition, a special collaboration that brings together Meta's latest standalone VR headset with the Xbox gaming ecosystem. This edition aims to offer a unique experience for gamers who want the best of both worlds, immersive VR and access to Xbox's vast game library. Right off the bat, the Meta Quest 3S Xbox Edition features a similar lightweight and ergonomic design as the standard Quest 3. It's comfortable to wear for long sessions, with adjustable straps and balanced weight to reduce pressure. The headset keeps the sleek, modern look, but adds exclusive Xbox branding and color accents that give it a distinctive style. The display technology is top-notch, with crisp high-resolution panels delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors. The refresh rate is smooth, which helps minimize motion sickness and keeps gameplay fluid. This makes both VR titles and traditional games streamed from Xbox feel more immersive and responsive. Under the hood, the Quest 3S Xbox Edition is powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, offering excellent performance for demanding VR experiences. It handles standalone VR games smoothly and supports connection to Xbox consoles and PCs for an expanded game selection, thanks to optimized software. Switching between VR and Xbox game streaming is seamless. Tracking is precise, with inside-out tracking cameras capturing your movements and hand gestures without the need for external sensors. The included controllers have improved ergonomics and longer battery life, making gameplay more comfortable and enjoyable. One of the main features of this edition is its deep integration with Xbox Cloud Gaming. This means you can stream your Xbox Game Pass library directly to the headset, giving access to hundreds of games in VR or on a virtual large screen without needing a console nearby. The experience is smooth over a good Wi-Fi connection, allowing you to enjoy Xbox games on the go or from your living room in a new way. The Quest 3S Xbox Edition also supports mixed reality pass-through, so you can blend your real-world surroundings with virtual elements. This opens up fresh possibilities for gaming and productivity apps that combine physical and digital worlds. Battery life is around 2 to 3 hours per charge, which is typical for standalone VR devices. Charging is done through USB-C, and while it's not fast charging, it gets you back to gaming reasonably quickly. Software-wise, the headset runs Meta's Oculus ecosystem and the Xbox integration apps smoothly. It supports all Quest 3 games plus the Xbox streaming features, making it a versatile device for gaming enthusiasts. Price is higher than the standard Quest 3 due to the added Xbox features and branding, but it offers good value for players invested in both ecosystems. Pros include sleek and comfortable design, high-resolution display, powerful performance, Xbox Cloud Gaming integration, and precise tracking with improved controllers. Cons are shorter battery life typical of standalone VR, and the higher price point compared to standard Quest 3 models. Final verdict: the Meta Quest 3S Xbox Edition is a compelling choice for gamers who want immersive VR combined with the convenience and game selection of Xbox. If you're part of the Xbox ecosystem and curious about VR, this headset bridges those worlds well. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest tech and gaming reviews.